All right, so now let's set up your custom domain with your new website. And to do that, you just need a domain. If you don't have one already, I recommend you use hover.com. It's a really affordable and easy to use service for registering domains. It's where I register all of my domains. And yeah, they cost like $15 in most cases. So yeah, do that first. And then we can get started setting this up. So to connect a domain, we can go to domains and then to custom domain and add a custom domain. Now again, you need a pro plan for this to work, a pro super plan for this to work. But if you have, you can click on this and then enter in your domain. Now I have this domain set up, which is notionwebsitebuilders.com. And then I can just click on continue. Now we need to edit the DNS settings of our domain. And to do that, we have to go to our domain provider and to log in. And I'm going to show you how you can do that with Hover. So I'm here in my Hover account and I went over to the DNS settings. And here I'll just delete all of these DNS settings that we have already because we don't need them anymore, because instead we'll actually use the settings that we get from Super. So first up, let's add the A record. So we have to use a type A. The name is going to be the @ symbol, and this is the value that we have to copy. So let's get that, and let's go over to the Hover account again, and let's click on add a record. This is the record type A, so that's correct. Then we'll use the @ symbol here, and we'll paste the IP address over here. Now you don't need to understand what any of this is. You can just follow along and it will work, I promise. All right, so now the next one is a CNAME record, and it has to be www, and then this is what it has to point to. So let's copy that again, and let's go back to Super, to Hover. And now this time choose a CNAME record. The host name is www. And this is going to be the target name. Perfect. Now let's add that. And now it might take some time for this domain to actually connect. Mine, as you see, connected right away. So it already is showing me that this domain is connected. But in some cases, it can take a couple of minutes for this to actually work. And now we can actually click on this link up here and go to the actual website. So now you see this is on notionwebsitebuilders.com. So you see it worked and it took like, I don't know, 5 minutes. So that's the beauty of using tools like Super. It took us, again, like 5 minutes or like in total, maybe like half an hour to set up this website. And we're up and running and we can, now use this professionally as a website, maybe like as a personal portfolio or for anything else.